Today, let us see theorem from circle topic. The name of the theorem is tangent segment theorem, and the statement, when we draw tangents to the circle from an external point, they are congruent. That is the statement there. So see that D is an external point. There is circle with center A. DP and DQ are two tangents are drawn there. That is given part. We have to show them they are equal. DP and DQ are equal. For the proof, if you join the radius AP, draw a radius AP, draw a radius AQ. If we join the radii of circle, you are getting two triangles there. You can observe them carefully. So what is that? In the proof, we can start in triangle DPA and triangle DQA. Two triangles are there. What is the first observation? Tangents are given there. So angle DPA and angle DQA. Observe them carefully. It is DP tangent, DQ tangent, and you know that by tangent theorem, it is right angle there. So they must be congruent there. They are congruent by theorem, tangent theorem. Each is 90 degrees. After that, PA, segment PA and segment QA. See that these are radii of same circle, congruent. So you can write reason there. Radii of same circle. After that, in this triangle DPA and DQA, AD, you can observe this side AD. It is common and it is congruent. So segment AD is congruent with segment AD. Reason common. But two triangles are there, and you can see that this is AD opposite to right angle. So it is hypotenuse. So see that this is hypotenuse and this is again hypotenuse. In two right angle triangles, you are finding hypotenuse congruent and side congruent. In that case, you can use that they are congruent by hypotenuse side theorem. So triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle DPA and triangle DQA are congruent by hypotenuse side theorem. After that, you know that corresponding sides and corresponding angles of congruent triangles are congruent. So what about the corresponding side DP and DQ? DP and DQ are the corresponding sides. So definitely segment DP is congruent with segment DQ. You know the reason, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So you can see that we are going to prove that DP segment and DQ segment are congruent, and it is proved here. So this is your last step. Segments are congruent, tangent segments are congruent. It is proved here by which theorem? Hypotenuse side theorem. And in this proof, we use that tangent theorem. tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at the point on the circle. So this is again very important theorem from circle topic. It is known as tangent segment theorem. Okay.